Your brother's calling, he's calling you. You gotta answer, he's trying to get through.